At Raymond, we design and build the best lift trucks in the business. The 5000 series order pickers are built with three things in mind: productivity, versatility, and efficiency. Equipped with Raymond's ACR system, the trucks have faster, more responsive speeds, fewer parts, and faster troubleshooting for reduced downtime. And with variable lift-lower speeds for better control of load handling, operators can keep loads stable. A patented suspension and smooth mass staging isolate vibrations for industry-leading platform stability, while the precise platform movement takes the operator closer to the pick. The Featherlight flip-up side gates give an operator a larger picking window, so they're more productive. And the 5000 series auto-lock pallet clamp locks onto the pallet stringer as soon as the pallet is in place, resulting in reduced product damage and increased operator confidence. The Intelliguide wire guidance system frees operators from steering in very narrow aisles. The system quickly and reliably engages guide signals, providing excellent tracking and stability. A truck made for high throughput. A truck designed for easy picking and productivity. A truck that's versatile, reliable, and engineered to get the job done. The 5000 series order pickers, ideal for piece part and case picking applications. Innovation, quality, service. Raymond. Run better, manage smarter.